Most people think, oh, I'm going to start a business. And they go on their computer and they start typing around the internet. And they go on social media, they go on forums about entrepreneurship, they go on entrepreneurship Reddit, they just start looking all over the place at people who think about entrepreneurship. And they're communicating and talking to only people who are thinking about entrepreneurship instead of looking at the average person. I think way more people who are interested in entrepreneurship need to go spend a day walking around Walmart. That sounds ridiculous. It sounds ridiculous, but that is the average American. The average American is not worried about how fast their data gets from their CRM to their communication tools. The average person in America is worried about how they're going to pay all their bills, keep their house clean and maintained, stop leaks under their sink, cut their grass, and have enough money coming in next Thursday so that they can pay their rent on Friday. That's what the average American is thinking about. And when you look around it and when you close your computer and you walk around your town and you start thinking about business, like my dad instilled this in me, and that's why one of the things that made me a good entrepreneur. When I walk around the world, I'm thinking, oh, how does that company make money? How does this company make money? When I walk in a restaurant, I'm doing math in my head, like how much money per table do they need to make each night? If their margins on food are 70% and the tips are included and they got to pay rent, how does this restaurant make it? And how many people would they need to have here to make money? Or you see an ice cream shop. Okay, they're paying this person probably $12 an hour. They're open for 10 hours a day. I know they got about $200 a day in labor, and their utilities are probably $200 a day or $450 a month because of all these freezers, and they got to pay rent. And I'm just thinking about how business works. And when you walk around, and last week I called for a lawn care company to come in, or a tree company to come and cut this giant tree down in my backyard. I paid him $1,400, and 3 guys were at my house for an hour and a half. I didn't have to do very much math to realize that the owner of that business is making pretty good money. Yes, they had an $80,000 machine that they came up and boomed themselves up into my tree with. So yes, there's a little bit more to it. But if you start walking around the world with an inquisitive mind of, hey, how does this company make money? You can start to spot opportunities, and you can start to see what are good businesses, what are bad businesses. And that's what I've always done, that to kind of see where the opportunity might lie.